Item number 3.3. Contract, Taupo and Turangi Water Network Renewals 2016. Mr. Dennis Lewis.
Good afternoon, Your Worship, Councillors. Have here a tender for renewal of water mains in Taupo and Turangi, about 3.1 kilometres. The recommended tender is downers of just over 732,000. I'll take any questions.
Okay, this resolution. Any questions, Mr. Lewis? Will it be done?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, sorry, Councillor.
Oh, sorry, I just had a couple of quick questions, sorry. Was this work signalled in the annual plan, or was this unexpected? I was a little bit confused because it said due to some things that had happened, and then we talk about it being in the budget, so can you just...
This work is signalled through both the long-term plan and the annual plan as renewals. So it's plan renewals, not reactive renewals.
Okay, cool. Just needed clarification. Thank you.
Lewis. Any other questions of Mr. Lewis? No? Okay, suggested recommendation there. Could I ask for a mover, please? Moved by Councillor Hickling, seconded by Councillor Rankin. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Against? Carried.